Clarified butter is only that pure butter fat, which is the largest percentage of the actual butter. So what we're gonna do is gently heat it. You end up with kind of like a liquidy layer on the bottom, this golden butter fat on the top, and then like a little foaminess on the very top. This is that butter solid, and when we make clarified butter, I heated it very gently on low. We remove that butter solid. This allows my butter fat to be able to cook at a higher temperature before it has a smoke point, and it stops it from getting brown or eventually black, preserving that delicious butter flavor. So I'm gonna pour very gently, careful to not disturb. So see, as I've tilted it, underneath you can see where the butter, where the liquidy or water portion is, the milky portion, and I'm just gently pouring off. As I get to this stage, you can really see right there, right? You can really see it. This is the stage where I have to be very careful. And here I end up with a beautiful clarified butter.